Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the VT110S Thermo-Anemometer with Hotwire. The VT110S is a reliable and accurate handheld hotwire anemometer that calculates airflow, airflow calculation with cone, detection of flow direction, and has automatic averaging. It features a wired probe, hold, minimum and maximum functions, adjustable auto off, a backlit LCD, and is protected by IP54 ABS housing. The meter is supplied with a transport case, paperwork, including a user manual, a datasheet, and a calibration certificate, and the VT110S unit. The unit features a large multi-level LCD, 5 buttons. These are power, OK, backlight, select and hold max min. The battery compartment is located on the back of the device and has 4 pre-installed AAA batteries. On the other end of the cable is a Hotwire anemometer with a protective sleeve, with the velocity and temperature sensors located underneath. And that's what comes in the box with the VT110S Thermo-Anemometer with Hotwire. To watch a video demonstration on how to set up this unit, or to speak with an Instrument Choice scientist about this product, see the links and details in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!